Welcome to PlastiXrevolution instructional series on assembling your Aerosol Box Intubation Guard. We've created a snap-together guard, and we're going to show you how to put it together. It's pretty simple. Stay with us, and we'll go through the details. Assembling your intubation guard is pretty simple. You start by peeling all of these panels. The protective masking keeps them from getting scratched, and they're shipped to you in that fashion. So let's start just peeling. Now that you've peeled your panels, the assembly is fairly straightforward. There are included instructions with step-by-step, and they're pretty basic. You've got two sides which have 5 snap tabs on each panel, a top that has 2 snap tabs and 4 slots. So that's going to be where we start. 2 sides and a top. Placing a side with the long tabs, 3 tabs up and 2 tabs towards you, take the top of the box with the 4 slots at the edges and the 2 tabs upward, and start by inserting the tabs through the slots, and you can start one at a time, snapping them together. Then repeat the process on the other side. 3 tabs up from the side panel, 2 tabs forward towards the top. Insert through the slots and lock them in place. Now we're snapped together, and we can put the front with the holes in it on the assembled sides and top. You'll notice that the slots line up with the tabs, and you can start with inserting the tabs through the slots closest to you. You can start with one of the tabs, bend the material, and then move on to the next. There's no real order. Just put the tabs through the slots, apply some pressure to one side, and it will snap through. See, I'm on one side, pushing down, and it snaps through. There is your assembled intubation box. And you can see it's pretty sturdy. I can hold it up, shake it around, and it's not coming apart. It can be disassembled. It's also very tough. Polycarbonate is highly impact resistant and will survive multiple uses. Rinse this off, wash it down with a detergent of some sort, a disinfectant of your choice, and your box is ready. If you prefer, as per the instructions, you can put tape over the open areas near the snaps for added sealing. And if you also prefer, you can add a lot of tape, all the edges, inside and out, if you want it completely sealed. Regular caulking will work as well, but it makes it a little less easy to disassemble. Disassemble is just the reverse. You do exactly where you started last. Start with the front, just peel back in one direction, and work your way around. Don't worry about breaking anything. It's a very tough material. It's the reason we chose this material, so that it wouldn't break in use, it wouldn't break during shooting. So I'm just peeling back from the corners to unsnap it. And I'm not being super nice about it. That's it. Thank you for watching this assembly video on our Aerosol Box Intubation Shield. Stay safe, stay healthy. If you need help from us, please let us know. We'll do everything we can to help you. Thank you. Take care. I wanted to personally thank all you healthcare workers. You're doing a fantastic job putting yourself in harm's way. From everyone here at PlastiXrevolution, thank you. We appreciate what you're doing.